My name is Naomi Abnenyapwa Yeboah, Headmistress of SDA SHS Asokore, Koforidua. Indeed, I'm really grateful to the Ghana Library Authority for taking this initiative to assist the school in getting a library. Seeing them here this morning is a great joy to us, in the sense that they are coming to relieve us of things that we are unable to do. And I know that the students are really happy to see them around. Their presence here is going to help the school a lot. And I know when they should complete this library, the students are going to benefit from it. And they will improve on their education performance too. So I'm really grateful to Ghana Library Board and the director as well. Thank you.